Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tech Hub Wise. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and exploring the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT. I'm your host Mukesh, and we're in for an exciting journey. Remember when I talked about ChatGPT that writes like a human when you ask it questions, thanks to its GPT 3.5 smarts? Now, let's dig into how ChatGPT prompts work. I've got a simple video to show you the ropes and make it super easy to understand. Alright, let's break it down. I'm going to teach you how to ask ChatGPT questions in a way that gets you exactly what you want, super fast. Think of it like learning the secret code to unlock the best answers. I'll make it simple, so you'll be a pro at getting the info within very less time. Now come with me in my learning room. When you want to receive accurate answers from ChatGPT, it's important to be specific. Now, let's explore the meaning of being specific. When someone tells you to be specific while using ChatGPT, they're asking you to give more details or provide clearer information. It's like saying, can you give me more specific and detailed details about what you are talking about? This helps in getting a more accurate and helpful response from the model. Now, we will explore a few ChatGPT prompts categorized into two types: specific prompts and non-specific prompts. I am confident that, after observing a few examples related to both categories, you will have a better understanding of the true art of prompt writing in ChatGPT. So let's start. First I will tell non-specific prompt, then specific prompt. Example 1. Non-specific prompt. Tell me about popular tourist destinations around the world. Specific prompt. What are some must-visit attractions in London, France and New York? Example 2. Non-specific prompt. Provide tips for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Specific prompt. What are some effective exercises for losing the weight and running fast without tired? Example 3. Non-specific prompt. Tell me about the latest advancements in technology. Specific prompt. What are the key features to consider when buying a new laptop? Example 4. Non-specific prompt. Share some cooking tips and tricks. Specific prompt. Can you provide a recipe for a delicious pasta and burger? I believe that after watching these 4 examples, you now have a better understanding of prompts. In the next video lecture, I will teach you various types of prompts based on different situations. I hope this video will be instrumental in helping you understand prompts. Stay tuned for my next video, which will guide you to become prompt engineers in ChatGPT. Bye bye my lovely friends. See you in next amazing video lecture.